Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today we are going to learn about Linux file editor. So let's start. So text editor is a program which enables us to create and manipulate data or text in Linux file. There are several standard text editors available on most Linux systems such as VI, Visual Editor, then ED, Standard Line Editor, EX, Extended Line Editor, Emacs, a full screen editor, Pico, Beginner's Editor, and Vim, advanced version of VI. Here we'll focus on VI because most of the Linux distribution system we have VI available, such as SUSE Linux, or you can say Ubuntu, or say Fedora, or any other Linux. If you pick up, you'll get this VI. It is quite common and available for every Linux distribution. So we'll focus on that. So let's start now. Before starting related to VI editor practical, we should know what is the VI editor and what is supplies. So VI supplies commands for inserting and deleting text, then replacing text, moving around the file, finding and substituting strings, cutting and pasting text, and most common keys are I for insert we are using, escape out of any mode, R for replace, D for delete, colon Q and exclamation to quit without saving, and colon WQ and exclamation for quit and save. So that's all about the VI commands. We'll start with the lesson now. So as usual, I have taken a putty window, and if I go with that, first we'll do who am I as we always do. Then we'll do PWD, which is current working directory for us, and what is the host name for our machine. So now we'll move on to the VI again. So first we'll create a file over here. Let's see what we have. This are we have. Now we'll create using vi editor one file which is called my vi say. Now once you're inside, you won't be able to type anything because you are right now in command mode. So to change this mode to insert mode, you have to press I so that you can type anything over here. So now you can see in the bottom of the file, you can see mivi and new file. It's not yet in insert mode, it's in command mode. So be in insert mode, you have to press I from your keyboard. Now you can see the bottom has been changed to insert mode. You can see insert anything you want to write. So I'm writing hello world. Then this is my, and let's save it. To save it, there are two ways. One, you can do first, you hit escape. So let's start. You can see at the bottom it's still in command mode. It's mivi, the file name and the new file. And to make it in insert mode, you have to press I so that you can write something inside of it. Press I, then do hello world. Then this is my first vi. Save it, hit escape first, then do shift ZZ, it will be saved. And if you go to cat space file name, now if you do cat space vi my vi, you can see file has been saved like this, right? Now there are other way to save it. Let's go inside of it once more and press E to edit the file once more. Again I to insert Linux. Let's save it now. It will be in different manner. We'll be saving. First you press escape, then put a colon, then W for write, Q to quit, and exclamation to save. Now hit enter. It is again saved. Check with cat space my vi. You can see it's been saved right here. You can see one line has been added to that particular file. Now let's go inside of that file once again and hit E to edit. Now if you wanna move around, you can use up arrow. If you wanna move around, you can use up arrow and down arrow and right or left arrow. But the thing is that you make sure you are in insert mode in that case. So now say I wanna delete this last line. How to do that? Just say D, double D. If you do, it will be deleting the line. Now how to get back that particular line? Just U, it will get back your line. It's almost like deleting a line from Word and then undoing it is something like that. If I wanna delete single character, for that I do only X. It will delete single character once again. And say I don't have any space over here, only space here. So again I'm putting X over here to delete it and then save it. Hit escape. Then you have to press colon WQ and exclamation to save it. Let's verify. So that file is there, but the line is deleted, right? We have just deleted. Now I want to replace the word say enjoying with happy. How to do that? You have to be in command mode, then just hit R from your keyboard and then you can put the word you want. Again you go to the next one, you can put R over here to replace and then hit the letter what you want to write. So this is a bit cumbersome job, but I can do one by one later. But now I want to do it in a single handedly full delete and then replace the word. How to do that? Just hit escape first, then come here, then press X X X X X X and go to insert mode I and write PPY and then again escape and shift colon WQ exclamation enter. So check. So it has been replaced, right? This way we can do the replacement and all. So again out of that file and I want to do say I wanna add a new line after this letter. How to do that? Be in command mode, just hit O, it will automatically place you to the next line. And before I am a new to Linux, so you can write anything, say anything, anything, anything. Then by mistake I have written something else, right? Now in insert mode you won't be able to delete. So what is the command for that? First you have to be pressing. First you have to press escape. Now you can see it has been coming to that particular typo part. Then hit X, then again X, again X. Now you have already deleted the line. Then escape and then hit WQ to save it if you want. I'm right now not doing it. Continuing to the next command, going up. Say I want to write over here. So if I do in insert mode, you will notice it will not give you any space between these words. You can say hi, bye, whatever, but there will be no space, right? So again you hit escape, then X, come back X, then hit back arrow key again, again and again. So you have the space over here. To add this space over here, how to do that? You press A, that means append. If you press append, it will automatically move into your insert mode first, and then give you space to write something. Now you write something high space by whatever you want to write. So you can do as per your wish. So again, I'm hitting escape to move out that mode. And now say I wanna delete this line, anything, to bring with your up or down arrow key to that particular line and hit DD. It will delete the line. You did it mistakenly, hit U, it will give you back that particular line. Again, press escape, and to save it, shift ZZ. So it has been saved now, your file. Check it, it's there. Again, go inside of that file to show you few more commands. Hit E to edit mode. Now let's do the searching. So for that, first get out of this file first. Then now to search, we know the command grep space Linux. Suppose Linux, I am doing Linux L Linux, and then file name my vi. It will bring me two lines because we have two lines over here, right? One is here, another one is here. Now, what if you are inside of the VI and you need to search this Linux? How to do that? Go inside of the file, edit mode. Then say now I wanna search Linux from this particular file when I'm inside of this particular VI editor. How to do that? Just press slash and then the word you wanna search, which is Linux. It will give you particular line where it will find the word and it will be there. You can probably replace the word if you want. If you want to write something else over there, you can do that also. Now once your search will be over, how to get out of the mode? You have to first hit I to be in insert mode, then hit escape to escape from it, and then you can go out of it like shift ZZ to save and exit, or you can hit colon Q and exclamation to exit also. So another editor is there which is advanced editor which is called Vim. My vi can do also. It's the advanced version of vi. So use your man command to practice, and so use man space vi to get other command details on vi, and do practice, because to be expert in this editor you have to practice and practice. There is no other mantra to become an expert on this. So that's pretty much it about vi editor in a brief. I'll be posting another video on vi with comments and all. So uh, that's all folks for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. And thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much.